Jai Gurudev, good morning my dear students. How are you? Fine, that's good. Today I am going you to teach English subject. Yes. So in previous video already your teacher have taught you the small letters. Yes. So today I am going you to repeat the small letters from A to M. Yes. I know you can write beautifully till Z. But today I am going to take a revision of A to M. Yes. So I am requesting all the parents to help your child. Okay, let us focus on the board. Whenever you get my video, my dear students, you have to write down C.W and put the date, month. In this column you have to put the month and the year is 2021. And I am requesting parents to help the child to write the heading. WRITE, write, leave some space. SMALL, small, leave some space. Then LETTERS, letters, write small letters A to M. Yes, in your English notebook 4 lines are there, 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. Yes, some letters you have to write in between of 2 blue lines and some letters from pink line to blue line. Okay my dear students, you all have to observe carefully. So let us start A. Now you are in KG2. Yes, in which class you all have entered? KG2. Yes. Okay. Now let us start. A. See how I am writing in 2 blue lines. In between of 2 blue lines, A. After A, B. See, standing line and a curve here. A, B. After B, C. See, you have to leave some space in between the letters. After C, D. After D, which letter will come? E. Yes. So, A, B, C, D, E. And then after E, which letter will come? F. F. Yes. Then F after F, G. See my dear students, G is coming down and touching to the pink line. F, G. Now H. See how I am writing from pink line to blue line. After H, which letter will come? H, I. See, I should be in between 2 blue lines. Then J. After J, K. Pink line to blue line. Standing line. Then small K. After K, L. After L, M. Okay my dear students, you all have to observe how your teacher have written in blue line and pink line and all, and write down this in your English notebook. Okay, 2 times you have to write down. So now I am going to show in your English notebook. So I am requesting all the parents to help your child to open the English notebook, pencil and a eraser. Okay, are you ready? See students, in this column we all will write a date. C.W. Then whenever you get my video, put the date, month and year. Then parents, please help your child to write the heading here on the top. WRITE, write. SMALL, small. LETTERS, small letters. A to M. So start from here. You have to leave the top line and jump to the second line. So write down here A. After A, B. After B, C, D, E, G H I J K L M. So you have to write down in this way in a beautiful handwriting 2 times. So my dear parents, please help your child to complete this work in their English notebook. So watch my video carefully. Good day. I am going to meet in the next video. Bye bye.